Verse 15 and verse 16, I served as eyes for the blind, and feet for the lame. I was a father to the poor and assisted the strangers who need help. Number 6 principle, a church leader must have a real heart of a father who operates in love and compassion. Therefore, we establish ministry as a symbol that we are father to the needy of community. And we thank God for the good Samaritan who always with us, supporting us in different ministry. Saludo po kami sa inyo. Principle number 7. I broke the jaws of godless oppressors and plucked their victims from their teeth. Number 7 principle. A church leader must be a freedom fighter. The picture you have been seen is inside the city jail. Hindi ko na po i-mention kung saan lugar yan. But we are teaching values formation inside the city jail. Number 8 principle. For I am a tree whose root reach the waters, whose branches are refreshed with dew. New honors are constantly bestowed on me, and my strength is continually renewed. Verses 19 and 20. A leader or a church leader must be matured with deeply rooted and fully developed character. Sabi nga ng isang leader, leadership is not about your title, it is about your behavior. Number 9. Okay, ito yung stages of spiritual journey. From spiritual death to infants, to immature, to mature, to spiritual. As a Christian, saan ka na bilang Kristiyano? Yan ang symbol ng stages of spiritual journey. Yung spiritual dead, wala po tayong maasahan na tama at naayon sa Diyos. Kasi patay ang tingin niya sa Kanya. Yung baby, katatanggap lang, kailangang lumago sa pananampalataya sa Diyos. Yung immature Christian, ito yung nagbibigay problema sa ministry at sa pastor. Yung maturing Christian, tumutulong solusyonan ang problema sa ministry at sa pastor. Yung spiritual parents ay tumutulong na mag-disciple ng member ng church para lumago. Everyone listened to my advice. They were silent as they waited for me to speak. And after I spoke, they have nothing to add for my counsel and satisfy them. They will long for me to speak as people long for rain. They drank my words like a refreshing spring rain. A church leader speaks with wisdom and give counsel that refreshes his listener. It means a church leader meron siyang wisdom and he is able to counsel the counselee. One time I spoke to thousands of students inside the CCF. I said to them, life with Christ is an endless hope. Without Him, a hopeless end. Number 10 rather. When they were discouraged, I smiled at them. My look at approval was precious with them. Like a chief, I told them what to do. I lived like a king among his troops and comforted those who mourned. A church leader must be comforter, an encourager of his people. He guides and directs on what to do. Servant leaders. Your obligation as a leader is to take people to a place they cannot get to on their own. A leader, a pastor, a soul. Great leaders don't tell you what to do, they show you how it's done. This is called leadership. Are you willing to be a Christian leader a church leader of influence? If yes, follow these 10 principles. Whatever you do, work it at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for men. Colossians chapter 3, verse 23. Thank you for watching. God bless you.